Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I don't know why I'm singing, but welcome back. So in today's video, as you can already tell by the title, we are going to be reviewing, I would say reviewing, not reviewing, first impressions in that world. So this is a little late because I was in LA when the palette arrived. I was also in LA when the Nomad palette arrived, and shout out, okay, to Juvias Place. The last three palettes from them that I believe that they have released, they have sent to me. So thank you very much. I really, really, truly appreciate it. And if this is not your first time on this channel, you know I love Juvia's Place. I like 99% of everything that they have out or that I own. The only thing I don't like from them is the shade range powders. Besides that, I love me some Juvia's Place. Like I said, if you're not new on this channel, you already know that. So I've seen a lot of pictures and I've already opened my palette because as soon as I got back from LA, I couldn't wait. I was really excited. But I'm still going to do this video even if there are already plenty of videos out there already. This is me doing my own because, you know, why not? Like, okay, one, I'm going to show you guys while I talk. This is what that looks like. I'm sure, ooh, let's take the plastic off so it's not shiny. So this is what that looks like. When I saw this palette and I opened it, and I'm not sure if this was Juvia's Place like intentions or anything like that, but also on their page I saw people say, oh, they see just like different colors and they don't see how like it makes sense and it's cohesive. I have notes. I have to start having notes. So I love all the colors in this palette. And the reason why I brought up, like, you know, my creative side of my brain, blah, 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 is because all the colors in this palette, they're all complementary colors to each other. So if you look on the color wheel, do I have one? I always have one in my kit. So like when I'm trying to explain something to a client, they understand why I'm using the colors I'm using. So like just these two colors right here, if you look on the color wheel, they're very complementary to each other. Like this is some form of reddish color. If, like I said, if you look on the color wheel, it is complementary to each other. These are complementary colors. Orange and all these blues, I'll say. I mean, this is a form of blue. So this right here you can use together. And this pink can also work with this green because when you add like a white color to red, it gives you pink. So this is, I don't know, like I said, I don't know if this was their thought process. It probably was, but I don't know. It's just an amazing complementary colors. So that's what we're gonna do today. If you're a person that likes neutral eye looks and you just like just natural looking colors, this is not going to be the palette for you. This is very colorful, and I think for this look I'm gonna give y'all a triad complementary color. So we gonna make it work. I haven't decided yet. These are more split complementary colors. So I'm going to use green. Remember I said green and red are complementary colors. And this is more of like an orange red. And I'm going to use the purple. So I'm using these three colors right here. I had to get my little brow together. It was annoying me. I'm still not feeling it. Because my brows are actually, they're not done. So going in with my favorite eyeshadow primer. Urban Decay Primer Potion. The one I'm using right now is Caffeine, but I like all of them. Okay, all of them. I think maybe except Sin. Sin is when I'm doing like something shimmery. I'll use Sin. But I love the original one. I love Caffeine. I like them all. They're amazing. So I'm just gonna do like a good directional blending. So I'm gonna start from here and then pull this in. So I'm not going back and forth as of yet. I'm just pulling it in. And then pulling it out. And now I'm going to go back and forth. And because I have hooded lids, I like to blow out and exaggerate the color that I put on my lid. So you guys will see when I put the next color on. So now I'm going in with the green color called Masai from the palette. And I'm just going to tap or push. As you can see, I don't think anything has fallen. I haven't had any fallout. So I'm going to pull this color. I just want to explain what I'm going to do because it's going to take me a long time to get to the blended saturation that I want. So I'm going to fast forward that part. But I want to tell you guys, when I pull this up here and when I blend it very, like when I give it the intensity that I want, you will see that these two colors are gonna kind of create maybe a blue, depending on how intense I go, or like a deep forest green color. I see a little bit of, I'm not sure because there was a time where I didn't tap off my brush, where you can see a little green here. I'm not worried about that. It's not like every time I tap there's like a crazy amount of fallout, so I don't care. So you see right here that forest green color I'm telling you guys about. I'm going to use a small fluffy blending brush like this. Or maybe you guys can see it better this way. And right where that meets, I'm going to blend it out. It is still the color I want, so it's going to give a nice separation between the green and the orangish red, and this will still be there. So now I'm going to blend my life away. Okay, so I mean, I'm gonna zoom back out, but my face is kind of almost done. Um, so I'm going to go in with the color Candice with a smudger brush under, well, in my lower lash line. And I'm just going to smudge it. With that same brush, I'm gonna go back into Juvias that we kind of used for our transition color right here. Okay, so now I'm going to put the color Juvias that we used. We've used it twice now. As my blush because I already have highlight on. And the highlight I used was by Juvias Place in the color Nubia. I know my eyes still look a little, I don't even know what to call it right now, but it's not done yet. I don't have mascara on or lashes because there's so much color on my eyes. I will add lashes because I feel like it's going to make it stand out. Well, actually, we'll see. When I add mascara, if I like the way it makes my lashes look, I won't add lashes. You feel me? You feel me? Okay. I think I just went a little crazy with the blush. So let us just bring that back down. And I'm using the Kush mascara from Milk. And so while my lash glue is drying on my lashes, I'm gonna apply bottom lash mascara. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in with a lip liner and gloss. And the gloss I'm using is from Patrick Ta. And she's expensive. I love the way this smells. Okay, so this is it up close. And that is it for this video, guys. The next one I think I'm gonna do is the Nomad, because I have it right here next to me, so look out for that. And don't forget to subscribe, because I always forget to tell you guys to subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you later.